Consumer Protection Act 1986. Introduction. It was enacted in 1986. It stands for a hope for Indian consumer in face of unfair trade practices, exploitation. This comprehensive legislation empowers consumers to seek redress for grievances related to defective goods, deficient service, and unfair trade practices. This article delves into the key aspect of Consumer Protection Act, exploring its impact and challenges in empowering Indian consumer. Protecting consumer right to safety. This ensure protection from hazardous goods and services. Right to information. Consumer have the right to be informed about the quality, quantity, price, and other details of the product or service. Right to choose. Freedom from unfair trade practice like manipulative advertising and for contract. Right to be heard. Consumers have the right to have their complaint heard and addressed fairly. Right to redressal. In case of grievances, consumer can seek compensation and corrective action through a three-tier quasi-judicial forum structure: district, state, national consumer dispute redressal commission. Right to consumer education. The Act mandates consumer education initiative to raise awareness about consumer rights and responsibility. Impact of the Consumer Protection Act. Empowering consumer. The empower consumer, giving them a voice and platform to fight against injustice. Consumer awareness has increased with more power filing complaint and seeking redressal. Empower business practices. The act has acted as deterrent for unfair trade practices. Businesses are now more cautious about adhering to quality standard and fair trade practices to avoid complaint and legal action. Streamline dispute resolution. The three-tier forum structure provides a relatively quick and affordable mechanism for dispute resolution compared to traditional tort. Promoting consumer welfare. The Act has contributed to better product quality, increased transparency, and improved service delivery within the Indian market. Challenges and amendment. Over time, the Act faces challenges such as delay in dispute resolution and the need for updates to address emerging issues. The Consumer Protection Act 2019 introduced amendments to enhance its effectiveness. It established the Central Consumer Protection Authority and introduced the concept of product liability, holding manufacturers and sellers accountable for defective products. Conclusion. The Consumer Protection Act of 1986 has been instrumental in shaping the consumer landscape in India, providing a legal framework for addressing a grievance and ensuring fair trade practices. The recent amendment further strengthened its provision, emphasizing the continued importance of protecting consumer rights in dynamic market. Thank you.